pleased. You saw me once and thought you knew, but love ain't built on a fleeting view. You spoke of dreams, of plans so grand, but I was never yours to hold in hand. A wildflower grows where the wind is free, not in a cage where it's meant to be. No regrets, no tears to cry. I've got a life that's soaring high. I walk my path with grace and dignity, with health, peace, and prosperity. No chains, no ties, just the strength in me. A wildflower standing tall and free. You called me wild, but didn't see the roots I laid, the love in me. A face alone ain't a heart's embrace. Real love runs deeper than a pretty face. Time moves on, the past can't stay. I found my light, I found my way. No more whispers, no more blame. My heart is strong, I've staked my claim. I'll walk my path with grace and dignity, with health, peace, and prosperity. No chains, no ties, just the strength in me. A wildflower standing tall and free. So let me go, let's set things right. No more shadows in my night. I was never yours, that's plain to see, but I wish myself the best. Just let